Right now in the middle and upper 50s for most of us. Still a few 60s hanging on out there at this hour, and with southeast winds, we're not going to fall a whole lot further. So you got southeast winds. Add to that the fact that we're now seeing that cloud cover start to move in ahead of that next system, and that means by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, maybe a couple of us end up in the 40s, but for the most part, I'm looking at those lower 50s again across central Texas. Not too bad, pretty mild as you wake up tomorrow morning. For the afternoon hours, a little bit warmer than it was today. How about the lower to middle 80s across central Texas? This will not be record territory. Our record for tomorrow is 89. A couple of areas down in the hill country may get close to that, but here, Waco, Temple, Killeen, I don't think we're going to get anywhere near 89. And if we do, feel free to send me an email and call me, because that will mean I got it very, very wrong. And I'll always take the criticism. Let's take a look here again. Like I said, cloud cover starts to move in as we head towards tomorrow. By the afternoon, we'll call it mostly cloudy. Even though it's going to be warm, I still think we get a fair amount of cloud cover in the area by Monday. By the time we get into Tuesday morning, take a look at that. Overcast conditions, and this is where we see our chance of rain start to move in. That next low pressure system starts to make its way into central Texas, and as it does so, scattered showers. That's really all I'm expecting. I'm not expecting a whole lot here during the day on Tuesday. I'm really not expecting a whole lot in the overnight hours either, but some of that activity could linger into Wednesday morning. But I'm going to warn you now, not everybody's going to see it. We'll go with about a 40% coverage there on Tuesday. Again, with the cloud cover, with the potential rain, that keeps temperatures a little bit lower, 73 there. How about 72 on Wednesday? And again, that 10%, because a couple of showers could linger on into Wednesday morning. We have what could end up being a better chance for rain and better totals coming up later in the week, Friday into Saturday into your Valentine's Day. I know that's not what you wanted to hear, but sometimes rain can be romantic, so just work with me here. Rain moves in as we head into Friday evening towards the I-35 corridor, lasts with us through the overnight hours into Saturday morning at this point, and could linger on with us for a few hours into the evening as well before shifting off into East Texas. So 2 rain chances. That's good news. How much rain are we talking about here? Well, not a whole lot. Here's the deal. I got 2 rain chances for you, and unfortunately, it's still only going to bring us anywhere between about a half an inch and maybe an inch of rain across the I-35 corridor, maybe an inch to an inch and a half there as you get east of I-45. So it's not a whole lot between these 2 systems, and really, most of this, if we see these totals, would come with that second round of rain Friday into Saturday. So really, what we're looking at for your Tuesday time frame, just not ideal, unfortunately. Again, 84 for tomorrow. I do need to take that off. That was supposed to be on Sunday. Tuesday, 73, 72 Wednesday. Again, with the cloud cover, with the potential rainfall, that will bring temperatures down just a little bit. We do rebound into Thursday and Friday, but then again, here comes that next rain chance. Right now, only a 20% chance. The numbers are low because it's still several days away, still a lot to refine here. We'll keep an eye on it. And of course, we might see these numbers go up as we head towards the end of the week. But again, at this point, with the drought status where it is good that we are talking about 2 rain chances over the course of a week, and then we'll be back down kind of closer to 70 degrees for next weekend for Valentine's Day, as a matter of fact. And remember, if you want to keep up with your forecast, you absolutely can do that for free by downloading our 6 Plus app. You can stream it 24/7.